Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the account and system so the preview can install. Sign into Windows with the same Microsoft account used on Xbox Live and make sure the Xbox app is updated. Once done, check Windows Store updates and confirm your PC meets basic specs: 4 GB memory and 10 GB free space minimum. You need to enable optional components like developer features only if required. Otherwise, stay signed in and updated, so the preview enrollment will recognize your account and device. Next, enroll through the Xbox Insider Hub. Open the app, sign in, and search for Minecraft Bedrock Edition under Insider Content. Choose the appropriate preview ring. Smaller rings deliver earlier, less stable builds, while larger rings are safer. When you select a ring, accept the enrollment and allow the app to manage installations and permissions. Once enrolled, the Microsoft Store will offer the preview update. Click Update or Install and let the process run. Downloads and validation may take several minutes depending on your connection. Finally, install the preview from the Microsoft Store and open Minecraft Bedrock Preview. You should see the preview version in Settings so you know the build is active. If the game fails to launch or crashes, first restart your PC and try repairing the app in Windows settings. Make sure the Xbox app remains signed in. If that does not work, leave the preview ring in Xbox Insider Hub, uninstall the preview, then re-enroll and reinstall. This reset often clears enrollment or update mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.